All right, we at the car wash. Inky Boy and Bryce the Dice. We're trying to see where he at. He done dislocated his leg, arm. Let's see what he doing. Daily vlog, car washing. Go ahead, Bryce, get it. Push it. Okay. Are you doing a good job? Go to the rim. Go to the rim. There you go. There you go. All grown up. Get close. There you go, boy. There you go. Car washing. Bryce the Dice. Get it in. Look how shiny. Good and clean. Going out? Well, that's it. The vlog of the day. Inky Boy. We over here at in Pearland, Texas, washing the 87 Cutlass. Bro, what we gonna do next?
We're gonna go over there and wash the car.
Huh?
We're gonna go over there and wash the car.
Go over there and dry the car off. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Daily vlog. Inky Boy and Bryce the Dice.